Hey everyone, the Jetta needs an oil change, but it's 95 degrees outside. I don't feel like laying on the ground or messing with the belly pan. So let's put this oil change in easy mode. Okay, so I came up with this idea. I have a vacuum pump that I use to do AC work on my cars. And I have this sprayer bottle that doesn't work. The pump mechanism is broken. I figure if I can connect this to this with a hose, and then connect a hose to that to go into there, I have an oil extractor. Okay, the vacuum pump was meant for AC work, so I just happen to have this old AC recharging hose that I'll connect to the vacuum pump. I was originally just going to cut it off here and use that to connect to the bottle, but unfortunately there's a one-way valve in here, and as luck would have it, it points in the wrong direction. So I had to cut the hose here, and I'll just use this to connect to the vacuum pump. I also got a 1/4-inch barbed fitting that I'll use to connect this hose to another piece of hose. This is a 1/4-inch vacuum hose. That should be good enough. Okay, so now I'm going to remove this pressure relief fitting. We'll see if that hose fits in here. Ooh, I think we're in luck. That's a good tight fit. I think it'll work. Okay, now we need a piece of flexible hose to put down the dipstick tube to suck the oil out. I got this at the hardware store. And if I did my math right, it'll fit on the end of this wand. So I just got to remove this off the end of the wand real quick. Diesel engine oil is pretty nasty, so I'm going to wear gloves. Okay, so at this point you're probably like, let's get to the extractor already. I hear you. We'll do that right now. Okay, this just happened. Okay, I think it's empty. Looks like I need a better bottle though. Anyway, that's it for this video. See you next time.